Welcome back to our channel. What's up guys, in this video we will talk about the best budget laptop for professional video editing. Are you looking for the best budget laptop that you can use for video editing? Then you have come to the right video. In this video, we have prepared a full guide that will help you make the right decision in buying the best budget laptop for video editing to take your video editing to the next level. Key things to consider before making a purchase. Number 1 is RAM. Your computer's short-term memory, RAM, holds all the data your computer's already using before you power it off. This is why most people make the mistake of assuming that, for video editing, you should definitely opt for 64 GB RAM. Number 2 is processor. Processor is the brain of your computer that performs all the calculations. These logical decisions help it to run all the tasks on your computer. So, your best bet would be to buy an advanced 6-core or 8-core processor. So without wasting any time, let's start our main topic. On number 1, the best budget laptops for video editing is Dell XPS 139380. For a video editing laptop under $1,000, the Dell XPS 139380 is a pretty decent option. Comfortable keypad and touchpad are Dell's specialty, and it is true for Dell XPS 13 as well. The laptop has 13.3-inch display, which is great for content consumption, and also for 1080p video editing. Dell XPS 139380 offers fairly good speed thanks to its quad-core i5 processor as well as higher turbo boost clock speeds. Nice spacing in keyboard makes it quite comfortable to work with. Good battery life, offering up to 8 hours of use time with intensive work of high-resolution video editing. If you want to purchase, check out the given link in the description. On number 2, best laptop is Asus ZenBook 13. Incredibly lightweight with a 13.3-inch screen and metallic finish, Asus ZenBook 13 is sleek and stylish. If you never liked bezels, you'll love the fact that Asus ZenBook 13 has none. 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD makes for comfortable video editing. It works really well when it comes to using Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Premiere. However, you might feel that the performance gets glitchy with 4K or multi-layer editing. Nonetheless, it is one of the best cheap laptops for editing YouTube videos. So on number 3, our best laptop is Lenovo ThinkPad E480. Talk about a cheap laptop for video editing, and you'll have Lenovo ThinkPad E480 as a strong contender. Configured with an i5 processor with 8 GB RAM and a 14-inch 1080p, is it the best laptop for video editing under $1,000? This laptop has nice keyboard keys with a lot of deep travel. Good collection of ports, USB Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, an HDMI and a microSD card reader. Really solid build quality overall and top-grade hardware design. I hope your problem will be solved. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.